HMCS Glace Bay is a Kingston-class coastal defence vessel that has served in the Canadian Forces and Royal Canadian Navy since 1996. Glace Bay is the second ship of her class, which is the name for the Maritime coastal defence vessel project. She is the second vessel to use the designation HMCS Glace Bay. Glace Bay was laid down on the 28th of April 1995 at Halifax Shipyards Ltd, Halifax, and was launched on the 22nd of January 1996. She was officially commissioned into the Canadian Forces at Sydney on the 26th of October 1996 and carries the pennant number 701. She is assigned to Maritime Forces Atlantic and is home-ported at CFB Halifax. Design and construction. The Kingston-class coastal defence vessel was conceived to use commercial off-the-shelf equipment and construction techniques in a ship designed to military specifications. The construction of the design required the building of partially outfitted steel block units, which were assembled into larger blocks, and those blocks were integrated into the ship. The decks were assembled upside down with pre-outfitting of the underside of the deck prior to installation on the ship. The ship is outfitted with a degaussing system from Power Magnetics and Electronic Systems. Kingston-class vessels are designed to carry up to 36.1-metre ISO containers with power hookups on the open deck aft in order to embark mission-specific payloads. Glace Bay was laid down on the 28th of April 1995 at Halifax Shipyards Ltd, Halifax, and was launched on the 22nd of January 1996. She was officially commissioned into the CF on the 26th of October 1996. Armament and sensors. Kingston-class vessels are outfitted with a Bofors 40mm 60 Mk5C rapid-fire gun, and two 12.7mm machine guns. The ships are equipped with one of three modular mine countermeasures systems: the Deep Sea Thales MMS mechanical mine-sweeping system, the route survey system, or the SARTEC remotely operated vehicle mine inspection system. The navigation equipment installed in Kingston-class vessels are a Kelvin Hughes I-band navigation radar and a global positioning system. The surface search radar is the E-to-F band Kelvin Hughes 6000. Propulsion. The ship is equipped with four main Wärtsilä UD23V12 diesel engines, which are coupled to four alternators. Two Dumont electric motors provide power to the two Lipset drive azimuth thrusters, which are fitted with fixed-pitch reversing propellers. The propulsion system provides 15 knots maximum continuous speed. The range at the economical cruising speed of 9 knots using two engines is 5,000 nautical miles with a 20% margin in tank capacity. Mechanical minesweeping is carried out at 8 knots. The crash stop length is 5 ship lengths from a speed of 15 knots. Service history. Following the crash of Swiss Air Flight 111, Glace Bay was among the vessels sent to search for the downed aircraft in September 1998. The following year, she was sent to the Baltic Sea to participate in minesweeping exercises with NATO. In November 2009, the Canadian trials for the Boeing in situ Scan-Eagle unmanned aircraft system were performed aboard the Glace Bay. In June 2013, Glace Bay and HMCS Kingston were sent on a 7-week tour of the St. Lawrence Seaway and the Great Lakes, making several port calls along the way. In 2014, she was deployed to serve in Operation Caribou. During the ship's deployment, in collaboration with the United States Coast Guard, the vessel seized a large shipment of cocaine valued at $84 million.